Hello, good morning viewers, welcome back again to another video. In this episode we are going to work on this Wuling Almaz, and we have another problem, and that is the AC is very hot. So let's go ahead and take it to the technician and see what they found and what is actually broken. And just to add the information, I've already regassed the AC system with the Freon, and it only lasts for 2 days, and the AC went back hot again. So there should be a problem or a major leak within the AC system. Okay, so yeah, we'll see how the technician goes and we'll keep you posted. Okay, so we have already completed the job. The AC is now runs cool as new. As you guys can see before, we actually had to replace the evaporator inside this AC system. The job was pretty big. They have to remove the whole dashboard assembly to access the evap. And now we have a full functioning AC, and that is the job complete. See you again on the next video. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the old evap. There's a major leak in this part right here. As you guys can see, this is the oil I'm getting, and that's why it's not giving a cold air.